Today we are going to learn the letters A, B, and C while drawing an apple, a banana, and a carrot. Let's start by drawing the letter A. After the A, we draw an apple. An apple is a fruit that grows on an apple tree. Next, let's draw the letter B. Under the B, we draw a banana. Next, let's draw the letter C. Under the C, we draw a carrot. Red. Green. Now let's color the apple green. Apples can be red, green, or yellow.
Stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni. Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle,
Pink.
candy. Mind the music and a step, and with the girls be handy. Father and I went down to camp along with Captain
Yellow.
Pudding, and there we saw
Now color the banana bright yellow.
pudding. Yankee Doodle, keep
A
it
banana grows in large bunches on a banana plant.
step, and with the
Banana is a sweet fruit that many people enjoy as a snack. Purple.
And there was Captain Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride without them. Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy.
Green.
Music and the step.
Now color the carrot orange and its leaves green. Orange. A carrot is a root vegetable that grows underground.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony. Stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni. Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
A. Apple. B. Banana. C. Carrot. Great job! Now it's time to take a picture. See you next time for another fun drawing lesson. Keep drawing, keep learning with